Did you know that the world-renowned automobile manufacturer Honda actually began its journey by producing motorized bicycles? A fascinating start for what is now a household name in the realm of automotive excellence. In the aftermath of the Second World War, Soichiro Honda, a gifted mechanic and race car driver, saw an opportunity in the need for affordable and reliable transportation. With a surplus of two-stroke motors designed for portable radios, he crafted motorized bicycles. Thus, the Honda Technical Research Institute was born in October of 1946. 2 years later, the company was restructured as Honda Motor Company. Limited, the first original design from Honda, the D-Type motorcycle, came into being in 1949. It was fondly nicknamed the Dream, a fitting name for a product that marked the start of a dreamlike journey for this small Japanese company. In 1959, Honda made a bold move by entering the US market with its small, affordable, and easy-to-maintain motorcycles. This was a time when bigger and flashier bikes ruled the market. Honda's approach of "you meet the nicest people on a Honda" campaign was a game changer. It transformed the perception of motorcycles in America from being associated with outlaw bikers to a mode of transportation for everyone. The 60s marked Honda's entry into the automobile market with the T360 mini truck, followed by the S500 sports car. However, the real breakthrough came in 1972 with the introduction of the Honda Civic. The Civic was compact, fuel-efficient, and reliable, making it an instant hit. The 80s witnessed Honda's foray into luxury cars with the introduction of Acura, the first luxury car brand from Japan. Through the 90s and into the new millennium, Honda continued to innovate, expanding its product line and pioneering in green technology with the introduction of the Honda Insight, the first hybrid electric vehicle sold in North America. Fast forward to today, Honda stands as a global leader in the automobile industry, known for its innovative design, fuel efficiency, and environmental sustainability. From humble beginnings, crafting motorized bicycles to manufacturing some of the world's most popular vehicles, Honda's journey is a testament to the power of innovation and the relentless pursuit of excellence. To summarize, Honda's journey began with Soichiro Honda's vision of providing affordable and reliable transportation in post-war Japan. From motorized bicycles, Honda moved on to motorcycles, then to compact cars, and eventually luxury vehicles. Its entry into the American market revolutionized the perception of motorcycles, while the introduction of the Civic and later the Acura brand solidified its place in the automobile industry. Today, Honda continues to innovate, always striving to meet the changing needs of its global customer base. This is the fascinating story of Honda, a company that started with a dream and continues to dream big.